Hey, good evening guys, Tush coming at you. It's 8 p.m. on Tuesday the 13th of February. A little bit of a late start tonight. One of those days getting home from work was a challenge. And getting something to eat, stopping for groceries, stopping to buy a new stripping disc on the way home. And time kind of gets away from you sometimes. But anyway, better late than never. So we're going to do a little bit of a power hour out here tonight. We are going to, as I mentioned yesterday, continue to strip the rest of the car. So in order to do that, I want to take the rest of the hardware off the driver's side door, off the internals, and I want to take the mirror off finally. So we're going to get to doing that, and then we will break out the grinders and the DAs and go to town and get that paint stripped off. Alright, I'll come back. Alright guys, door hardware is all off, mirror is off. So take one last look of the blue paint on this side. Soon it will be all bare metal. And let's get to work. These guys sure love their Bondo. There's got to be, I don't even know how many millimeters thickness of Bondo, the entire length of this door. And there's no need for it whatsoever. I think it was Cutworm who said that the bonnet was going to be 30 pounds lighter once I stripped it. I bet you, without a word of a lie, I bet you these doors will be 10 pounds lighter once I get all this Bondo out of here. Crazy. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, we're almost halfway done. A little less than halfway done. But we'll keep going at her. We're certainly making a mess again. Well, it's a little bit dusty out here. Alright, we'll try to clean this place up a little bit. We've got the door done and the sail panel done. Can't tell, but we'll see if we can clean it up a bit and give you a shot to end the night. We didn't get to the front fender. We did clean up this area back here a little bit. Not perfect yet, but it's better. So the red fender is the only one with paint left on it. We'll get to that probably tomorrow. Anyway, let's see if I can clean this up a bit. Alright. Somehow, I'm betting I don't look too good. Probably not too bad. You see me? A little dusty. Alright. Let me clean this car up a little bit. And we'll got the fan on, got the door open. Just trying to blow some dust out. We'll let it clear out a little bit, we'll wipe the car down, and we'll see what she looks like. Alright guys, just after 10 p.m. with an update. And obviously the door is now stripped, clean. The whole side of the car is done. That's looking good. The door is not too bad a shape. Had a ton of Bondo in it. These guys love Bondo. And obviously Bondoed in around, I guess this is where they welded in the mirror mount location. So we'll probably fix that up a little bit better. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Maybe a small door repair required down on the bottom corner like I did on the other side. But for the most part, I think that looks okay. We'll have a better look once we take the door off again. The sail panel's done at the back pretty much. There's some cleanup here on the top piece, but it doesn't look too bad. Wasn't too much Bondo in this piece back here. Again, some pretty ugly stuff here along this wing. Not as bad as that, but I think it's probably usable. So, yeah, so the only thing we got left basically is that red fender, as I'd mentioned. So we'll get out here tomorrow. I doubt that'll be too difficult to strip since it's the original paint. You can see it's in areas already starting to peel off fairly easily anyway, so we'll get the grinder out, angle grinder out, and we'll get that fiber disc on that tomorrow and fix that up. So yeah, looking pretty good. Still got to do that front valance as well. But that shouldn't be too difficult. So there's the end of night update. Not sure if we'll upload this tonight. Kind of like to keep them short if possible. It's a little easier for you guys to watch. But we'll see once I get in. It'll take me a while to get this downloaded before I upload. So we'll see what's going on inside. We'll see what's on TV, see if there's any interesting things to watch. And if there is, we'll do that while we upload this. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Talk to you tomorrow.